The cars, all the cars are transported on the underground on a system on rails from the factory to the car delivery center, and the cars are stored maximum 2 days in the car tower, and 90 minutes before delivery the cars are transported again on the underground into the car delivery center. And everything is done automatically. Nobody drives the car. It's the fastest park system in the world. The lift can move 2 meters per second, but we are now moving 1 meter per second. It can be too much for us, but with the cars it's faster. So we are now on the last floor. 48-meter high is the car tower, and we have capacity for 400 cars per tower.
Wow.
And all the Volkswagen model and all the Seat model can we pick up at the Autostadt.
Amazing.
We are waiting a little bit, and after that we can go outside. Okay, now we can go outside. We open the door. Be careful.
Pretty excited?
Yeah.
Ooh, we're up high.
So, you can see the Autostadt. We have a surface of 28 hectares, but the factory ground is very big. It's the biggest car factory in the world with Volkswagen. 60,000 persons are working in this factory.
Wow.
And per day they produce 3,800 cars.
Wow.
5 models are produced in Wolfsburg. The other one all over the world, they have 123 site of production in the world, and in 31 countries in the world they produce cars. You see the old power station, and we have the old power station since factory time, since 1938. Yes. And we have also the city Wolfsburg since 1935. It's grown up with the factory together, and the name is from the old castle. You see the old castle on the other side? The castle name is Wolfsburg, so the city name is also Wolfsburg. Since 1945, after the Second World War.
You're not allowed to go outside.
No, it's not allowed. It can be perhaps dangerous for us. We have the canal. It's the biggest canal in Germany with 325 kilometers. And just in front of us, if you want to do shopping, we have the outlet center. It's the main building, also at the Autostadt Group Forum. And we have the 8 brand pavilions inside the park. All the brands that belong to the Volkswagen Group are presented themselves with their own philosophy and values, and you can always see the latest model of the brand.
But the factory only produces Volkswagen?
Volkswagen and a very new Seat model.
Seat models?
Yes, the new SUV Tarraco. is also produced here in his factory.